Listen, the great debate is this. Can you just throw your money in an index fund now and let it ride because stocks always go up? Or do you have to actually put in some work, do some work, and buy individual names, which is hard and scary?
Hey, Sully, it's so good to see you this morning. Really looking forward to chatting. Well, it's kind of interesting, right? So it totally depends on who you are, what you're doing, and your skill set. I think a lot of people can say, oh, I should be buying individual stocks, and really they should be in index funds because they don't really know how to evaluate individual stocks. So for me personally, I am actually doing some of the buying around the dip, picking up names that I know and like, adding to names that I've had in my portfolio. Everything's been on sale the last few weeks. I mean, I was looking at some of the stats this morning. I mean, and they're staggering. You have names down below their 200-day moving average. You have names closer, to their 50-day moving average. I don't know another time. I mean, you can go back to, I think, like August of 2019, the last time you had 4 down weeks in the Dow, the S&P, and the NASDAQ 100. So it's been an incredible time if you know the names that you like and the names you want to be in to be able to grab, some names to pop in your back pocket for the next few weeks.
Well, I know that you have been long and strong on Uber, even during the height of the pandemic, and everybody's like, oh, the industry's finished. We had news this morning. They're getting their license back in London. The stock is up 6% right now. That's an example, Courtney, right? You got to buy when other people are selling.
Absolutely. If you can stomach it, I mean, take some Alka-Seltzer and put some names in your back pocket. These are names that are going to win. And I know people have been really down on big tech, and Uber is a name that people have vacillated back and forth. They want to trade around some of the legal troubles or legal potential troubles, as we saw coming out of London, the win this morning. But it's one of those things where Uber is a name that pre-pandemic changed our world. I mean, let's think about what happened with ride hailing and ride sharing. During the pandemic, what did they do? Right? They morphed. They thought about ways that they could grow Uber Eats. They bought Postmates. They created some additional operational efficiencies. You want to be in companies that can morph and shift as it relates to the difference in what we're seeing in the economy. They also made investments in markets that others didn't. I mean, look at what they did in China with Didi. I mean, so Uber is a name that, regardless of what's happening around some of the legal woes here in the United States, they've figured out how to become a chameleon, in my opinion, and it's been fantastic.